welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Princess Fiona from Shrek in Dress to Impress. Okay, this is for the outfit. First of all, guys, you can choose this hairstyle. This is from the masculine hairstyle, and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection. Combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and this bangs. And then you're going to put on this crown. This is from the VIP room, and you're going to color it like this. If you don't have VIP, you can replace it with another crown. And then you're going to put on this ear. This is also from the VIP room, and then you're going to do adjustment. You can make it bigger by scaling it. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to move to this top area, and I'm going to select this corset. Okay, we're going to make it green. Okay guys, you can color it like this for this corset. You can color it with this green color. This is for the color code. And for the second selection, make it this yellow. Make it green and green. Okay, and then you're going to put on this heel from here. From this area. This one, guys. Okay, put on this heel, and then you're going to color it with this green color. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the sleeves from the wedge set. This one, and we're going to make it green for the first selection and also the second selection. And for the material, I'm going to make it metallic. Alright, and I'm going to put on this corset from the wedge set, and I'm going to make it this color. For the lace, you're going to make it yellow. Okay, let me show you the color code. Okay, you can make it this yellow, guys, for the lace. And for the corset closure, I'm going to make it green. And we're going to make it metallic. Okay, just change all the material to metallic. Alright, done. And then I'm going to put on this skirt, and we're going to make it this green color for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, we're going to make it metallic. Alright, and then I'm going to put on this dress. We're going to make it metallic for the first selection and also the second selection. And again, we're going to apply the same green color. Okay, then guys, and this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create Princess Fiona from Shrek in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!